Looking for a vacuum cleaner repair in Tallahassee, Florida? Listen to our story about Bo, a busy FSU student. Hi, this is Bo. Bo is busy with schoolwork, but he has a problem. His vacuum cleaner is broke and Bo is on a budget. Bo searched the web and found a solution. Doug's Vacuum Cleaner in Tallahassee, Florida. Tallahassee's largest vacuum store, vacuum cleaner service, free repair estimates, all of our work is guaranteed. Your key to a better vacuum. Bo saved a bunch, got his vacuum fixed. Now he recommends Doug's Vacuum Cleaner at 604 North Bronough Street. Visit Doug's Vacuum Cleaner at 604 North Bronough Street in Tallahassee, or visit him online at dougsvacuum.com.